Every academic year, students face the same quiet struggle. Study materials are scattered across charts, folders, and devices. Important notes are often lost when they matter most. At the same time, students juggle lectures, assignments, and exams without a clear academic structure. This leads to missed deadlines, stress, and poor academic outcomes. This is where Acadeva comes in. Acadeva is an academic platform designed to help students share study materials. Students can organize course materials and focus on what truly matters. Studying becomes simpler. Planning becomes clearer. Acadeva is built by a team of students in Nigeria who understand these challenges firsthand. A building for students like us. Within the academic environment we know, offline availability of resources, PDF compression to save mobile data, optimized for low-end devices. We have developed working mobile and web app features focused on material sharing. We have over 2,000 active users, and with student feedback, we are shaping a product that fits real academic needs. Our business model follows a freemium approach. Core academic tools remain accessible to all students, while advanced features are offered through affordable subscriptions. We also have a point reward system to encourage students to do things that benefit the platform, like uploading books and referring friends. They can access some paid features with the points. Growth is driven through campus, communities, and student ambassadors. By improving access to learning materials, Acadeva supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal for policy education. We aim to reduce academic stress and improve student success, starting from African universities. Education works best when students are supported, organized, and collaborative. Acadeva is building that support system.